Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to message a host on the Vrbo app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to go ahead and message a host on the Vrbo app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Vrbo app. Next, click onto a listing, then scroll down, and then where it says contact host, you can click on contact host, and then you'll be able to go ahead and message them. So with it, you can switch the dates, you can decide the number of travelers, and then this is where you type in your message and then send the message. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and message a host on the Vrbo app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.